French are famous for are their desserts and pastries. Considered the home of modern desserts, France is rich with tasty sweet dishes that have evolved over hundreds of years of food appreciation. French desserts are popular with home cooks, as anyone can try their hand at the multitude of dishes, and the ingredients are readily available. Eggs are very important in French desserts and cakes, and are the key ingredient in dishes like crème caramel, mousse, custard and éclairs. Of course, French cooking just wouldn't be possible without butter. Butter is used in most dishes, but especially desserts. The French are also fond of adding fruit to their dessert creations in all manner of styles. And where would desserts be without sugar? Sugar is a part of nearly every dessert in the French food vernacular. And here are a few classics to inspire your cooking at home. Macaroons are a French classic and are often presented in several flavours. Chocolate is popular, as is pistachio, lemon and strawberry. Macaroons can be a challenge for the home cook to tackle, but the rewards are delicious. Of course, when you think French desserts, éclairs always pop to mind. Éclairs are also flavoured differently, but the chocolate variety is by far the most recognisable. The French probably have more desserts in their food culture than any other. They have perfected the art of flans, tarts and chocolates, plus a myriad of delicious treats too many to mention. Another aspect of French desserts is, of course, the visual creativity. To be a pastry chef in France is to not only be a master of cooking, but also an artist, presenting their culinary creations in traditional and new and original ways, sometimes creating desserts that look too good to eat.